This is Dave Stanton for Carbatec. Maintenance. The most important thing to check on in the maintenance of the Carbatec Professional Router Table is that your router is firmly secured to the router plate or optional router lift if that is what is fitted. Check all power leads are in good condition and free of cuts or bared wires. Check that the NVR switch is securely mounted to the stand and the paddle that activates the stop switch is in good condition and functions freely. From time to time, check your router is clean and free of dust, particularly over its air vents. Check all nuts in the stand are tight. As with all machines, keep your router table dry. The phenolic router table itself will need no lubrication. If you have the cast iron version, you will need to use some form of slip and protectant such as Silverglide, but nothing that contains silicons. You may wish to use a small amount of light oil on the threads of the router table fence lock knobs here, and also on the optional micro adjust screws which are at the back here. If you have the optional lift mechanism, place a small amount of grease on the chain on the lift mechanism and also to the underside of the dust box where the optional drawer makes contact with the dust box. The optional swing stop over here may require some light oil applied to the socket head screw that connects the stop to the mount. To do this, undo the set screw of the mount plate and then undo the nylock nut. Remove the swing stop from the socket head screw. Apply some oil. Replace everything back together again. Tension the nylock nut so that the swing stop has easy motion and will also stop at any position throughout its travel when not touched. Replace the set screw in the back of the swing stop body. The set screw is to stop the socket head screw from rotating. From time to time, check on the 63mm dust hose that runs between the optional dust box down here and the router table fence. Keeping your Carbatec Professional Router Table clean and well maintained will ensure years of reliable and accurate service.